Do you want to learn how to fly the Dji Fpv in the manual mode? Well, let's get into it. In this video, we will learn how to access the full manual mode on the Dji Fpv, and I will also explain how to control it in the full manual mode. And this video is sponsored by VR Wave. VR Wave is a lens company. They create lenses for VR stuff, and also they create lenses for the Dji Fpv. If you do have vision problems like I do, then VR Wave can help you. You send them your prescription and they will create lenses just for you. It works really well. It's very easy to apply them. You just snap them on with the left or right letter at the bottom, and that's pretty much it. Now I can see properly. Well, I was able to see properly because my vision is not that bad, but now the screen is way clearer. And also they do have blue light filter and anti-glare coatings. So if you care about your eyes, you don't want the blue light to destroy your eyes, these lenses will help you. And huge thanks to VR Wave for providing me with these lenses and for sponsoring this video. So go check them out. Link will be in the description. This is a very cool thing. But now let's enable that manual mode. And to do that, you have to access the settings, and in the settings, go to control settings. After that, select remote controller. At the bottom, change the custom mode from sport to manual. It will show you that you have to release the springs for the controller so that you can fly in the manual mode. You do that with this tool that's included in the Dji Fpv combo set. Depending on which mode you fly in. If you fly in mode 2, you peel off this one. If you fly in mode 1 or 3, you peel off this one. And then you just release the springs by unscrewing the screw. Once that is done, access the gain and expo settings. And at the bottom, disable the M mode attitude limit. This will allow the drone to be pointed in any direction or however you want it. Basically, this enables the full manual mode, in which you can do power loops, flippy flips, rolly rolls, and whatever you want to do. That is how you enable the full manual mode on your Dji Fpv. One thing you have to keep in mind that the full manual mode is quite very difficult to fly in if you haven't done that. It's advised to first fly in simulator. I really enjoyed the simulator called Liftoff, and it works with the Dji Fpv controller, so you can get the feel of the controller, and you can even download Dji Fpv drone in the simulator, so it will fly like this drone itself. So that's a very cool feature. Now let's get to flying. Now that we have enabled the full manual mode in the settings, it's time to actually fly in the full manual mode. So there are a few ways how you can fly in it. One of them is just to take off in the normal mode, then switch to manual mode. You will have a little tutorial on the screen how you need to set the sticks in which position. You hold them there for a few seconds, and then it will switch to full manual mode, and then it's all you. Or you just switch to full manual mode like this on the M button here, and you double tap this button and the motors will start to spin, and then when you throttle it will fly. Let's take it for a spin. So the left stick up and down is throttle. Left and right is yaw, as we can see. Up and down on the right stick will change the tilt, and left and right is roll. And that is how we control the drone in full manual mode. And that is how we actually can have a lot of fun with the Dji Fpv drone. If you haven't yet done the full manual mode, I highly recommend it, as it's the most fun way to fly the drone. It's insane how amazing the feeling is when you're actually flying the drone in full manual mode. It's a lot of fun. Woo! This takes a lot of practice to get used to, but if you practice a lot, you will be able to do the things I'm able to do and even more. Because, well, I'm not the most skilled guy when it comes to FPV, but I do know a thing or two. I can do a flip, I can do a roll, and I can fly close to things, and that's pretty much it. I don't know any of those tricks. I don't know the Rubik's Cube or whatever. I don't know those things, and actually it's starting to rain a bit, but I guess it's fine. It's not a lot of rain here. Woo! This is so much fun. All right. And wow, these VR wave lenses do make the image a lot more crispier to my eyes. It's a really nice product. Okay, let's get a bit lower. Woo! And today I'm using ND4 because it's quite dark actually. And ND4 is strong enough for this light to get the shutter speed at the desirable speed. My shutter speed is 100 and frame rate is 50 frames per second. And what's up? All right. So yeah, this is manual mode. This is what you can achieve when you unleash the full potential of the DJI FPV. This is so much more fun than the normal or sport mode. And to land the drone, I usually, I like to do it, I switch to normal mode and then it's very easy to land it. You basically land it like a Mavic, and it lands automatically by itself. And it's so much easier to do it like this. And that is how you fly in manual mode. It's a whole new world of possibilities of capturing. If you still don't have the DJI FPV and you want to get one, now there is an amazing opportunity to get it for a very good price. For $1,199, you can get it from Banggood. Go check the link in the description and use this coupon code and you will get it for that price. But keep in mind that this discount code is active until the 28th of August, so don't miss it out and get yourself DJI FPV right now. And VR wave lenses, they will keep your eyes safe, and if you have vision problems, they will help you to see. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you were able to enjoy this video. If you did, you know what to do. If there's anything you want to know, comment down in the comment section, and you know,
Jesus, man.
Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.